In this script, we are diving into a particular problem regarding CSS variables and their behavior when using invalid syntax. The problem at hand revolves around the concept of variables referencing custom properties with an invalid value. We're utilizing a valid custom property with an invalid value after substitution. This leads to a scenario where the computed value falls back to either the property's inherited value or its initial value, akin to using the unset keyword. The reason behind this behavior lies in the fact that variables in CSS cannot fail early like other syntax errors, resulting in a user agent discarding cascaded values once it recognizes an invalid property value. Now, delving into the provided solution, we see a CSS snippet illustrating this behavior. Within the snippet, we define a custom property bgRed with a value red, and then attempt to apply this value using the var function in a color property declaration. However, the subsequent text snippet, I am an invalid syntax, causes the property value to become invalid post-substitution. As a result, the computed value defaults to behave as if unset had been specified, showcasing how the CSS variables handle such scenarios. Continuing with the explanation of the solution, we observe the accompanying HTML snippet where the color property is being used within a div element with the class example. Despite the invalid syntax present in the CSS declaration, the rendered output exemplifies how the computed value reflects the fallback behavior akin to unset. This further reinforces the concept outlined in the CSS specification regarding the treatment of invalid property values when utilizing CSS variables. In conclusion, we have explored the intricacies of CSS variable behavior when encountering invalid syntax and how it influences the computed values within a style sheet. By understanding the nuances of CSS variables and their error handling mechanisms, we gain a deeper insight into the cascading nature of styles in web development. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Your support is always appreciated.